say, I will go to the beach on Christmas Day. So we have to use preposition. Preposition in used when you are talking about months, years, centuries, and parts of the exercise. We are going to fill these spaces by using preposition of time.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu gana action.
Good evening, everyone. My name is NYABUGOGO Branch. I am English teacher at Action College. In Action College, we teach not only languages, but also we teach traffic rules, we teach duty, we teach culinary arts, and so forth. Today, I'm going to share you an English lesson which called Prepositions of Time. We are going to see preposition of time like on, in, and at. Firstly, we are going to start with preposition on. When do we use preposition on? We use preposition on for specific days and the dates. You have to know that we use preposition on for specific days. As you know, we have days of the week, Monday up to Friday. So, like here you have, I have a meeting on Monday. If you want to show a day, specific day, we use on. I have a meeting on Monday. You can't say, I have a meeting in Monday. Impossible. We say, I have a meeting on Monday because Monday is specific day. Her birthday is on July 10th. Her birthday is on July 10th. Also here we have to use preposition on. Third one, we have another example like we went to the beach on Christmas Day. This is specific day, Christmas Day. Maybe we are about to start Christmas Day. You can say I will go to the beach on Christmas Day. So we have to use preposition on. Second, we are going to see where do we use preposition in. First, you have to know we use preposition in maybe when we are talking about time or place. But now we are focusing on time. Preposition in used when you are talking about months, years, centuries, and parts of the day. Means that we use preposition in when we are talking about months of the year, years in general, and centuries, without forgetting parts of the day. Like here we have examples. I was born in April. As you see, April is fourth month of the year. We have to use in. You can't say I was born on April. Never. We have to say I was born in April because April is one of months of the year. Second, they moved here in 2020. They moved here in 2020. Here we have year 2020, means that you have to use preposition of time in. You can't use at, you can't use on, you can't use others. Here we have to use preposition in for showing time. Which time? Year 2020. Third one, we have part of the day in the morning. You can say, he always talks to his father in the morning. He always talks to his father in the morning. In the morning is a part of the day. As you know how? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So in the morning is one of part of the day. We have to use preposition. We have to use preposition in. He always talks to his father in the morning. Fourth example, we have we are living in the 21st century. We are living in the 21st century. Here we have century, as we saw, we use preposition in for for centuries. That is the reason why here we have to use the preposition of time in. Instead of using preposition of time on, we use preposition of time in because 21st is a century. And then we say we are living in the 21st century. This is the second preposition of time. Third one, we have preposition of time at. When do you use preposition of time at? As you know, we have preposition of time at and preposition of place at. But now we are considering preposition of time at. We use preposition of time at for specific times and short period. That is where you can use at as preposition of time. Example, the train arrives at 6 p.m. The train arrives at 6 p.m. This 6 p.m. is a specific time. That is the reason why you have to use at. Also, you can say we start a class at, for example, 4 p.m. We start class at 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. is a specific time. That is the reason why you have to use the preposition of time at. Second, have she studies at night. She studies at night. That is short period. We have to use at. We have some more preposition of time for parts of the day. We have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we don't say in the night. Never. We say at night. Reason why here we have to use at. She studies at night. I watch movie at night. So we can use preposition at. Last example, we eat lunch at noon. We eat lunch at noon. Because also noon is a short period, you have to use the preposition of time at. We eat lunch at noon. So I want to check if you have understood what we already studied for doing exercise. Here we have exercise or assessment. It's a very simple exercise. It's for filling in the blanks with in, on, or at. Here we have exercise. We are going to fill these spaces by using preposition of time in, on, or at. According to what we studied, we are going to answer these questions. First one, we will go on vacation July. We will go on vacations July. What is the correct answer? Just remember, I said that we use preposition in for months of the year. Reason why here we have to use preposition of the time in. We will go on vacation in July because July is one of months of the year. Second, our exam is Friday. Our exam is Friday. What is the correct answer? Friday. Friday is one of days of the week. As I have said, I said that we use preposition on for days of the week or specific days. And then we have to say our exam is on Friday, not in Friday, on Friday, because here we have days of the week, day of the week, Friday. Third one, he always drinks coffee the morning. He always drinks coffee the morning. What is the correct answer? Remember, we have studied that for parts of the day we use preposition in. Means that here we have to say he always drinks coffee in the morning because the morning is one Parts of the day. We have to use preposition in. He always drinks coffee in the morning. Last question. The train leaves dash dash 6:30. The train leaves dash dash 6:30. What is correct answer? Remember, for specific time, we have to use preposition at. And then we say the train leaves at 6:30 or 6:30. So for specific time, we have to know that we have to use a preposition at. And then we say the train leaves at 6:30. Those are some mostly useful preposition of time you have in English. Remember that those preposition of time also can be used as preposition of place. In the following lesson, we'll see where and how can we use them as preposition of place. Thank you for watching. I wish you a nice evening and try to revise what we studied. Thank you.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi, gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu, gana action.